This is Fumio Takaの Red Lobsters Communication Training. Yeah, within 3 minutes. I'm now standing in the Edogawa Park. A very cool day. Yeah, February 27th, Saturday. Just I finished my morning Renko Tai Chi for my exercise. Yeah, morning exercise is very good for us to keep a healthy body, physically, of course, mentally. Okay, always I speak as one key point in communication as a communication trainer. Yeah, today's topic is no reader making a presentation. Yeah, don't read, speak up. Presentation, yeah, doing a presentation in order to make other people understood. I remember, yeah, my family, my grandpa, and my brother, and my son and daughter graduated from Waseda University. Waseda University is very famous university as a presentation. Okuba Shigenov, yeah, he was a founder. He was a famous top presenter in this country, Okuba Shigenov. Yeah, when my graduation ceremony of my son, I went to Waseda University and I take part in attending the final ceremony of graduation. But I was very disappointed and astonished. Yeah, top person. Yeah, university principal. Yeah, Socho. His presentation of celebration of the final ceremony of graduation seriously bad. Only reading a paper like announcer of NHK or of the television. Like announcer reading the paper. Oh my God, my God. Such a ceremony of graduation should be making heartful presentation. Yeah, about 1,000 students, half of that has been slept. Not hearing, slept. 学生の半分は寝てた. Oh my God, this country has been changed. Yeah, if we make other people understood, yeah, extraordinary, astonishing, yeah, to giving astonish or wonder, yeah, to give such a occasion, such an occupation, yeah, very important. Don't read, speak up, yeah, making presentation. Okay, finally I will say, if we would like to make other people astonished, yeah, and understood, don't read up. Please do your own style of presentation. Thank you.